G'day! In today's video I've got an Acer Nitro 5 AN515-58 and this is how to get into the BIOS with your machine completely switched off. Press and hold the power button. We'll press the power button on here and then from there mash F2 on your keyboard. Bingo! We're now into the BIOS. There's really not a huge amount there. I'll just quickly show you. What have we got? Settings. F12 boot menu is disabled by default. I'll enable that. Lid open resume. Keyboard backlight timeout. And what we got? Display options. Fairly standard stuff. Really not much here you can customize. Hope that helps and I'll see you guys later. Bye.